A mom says there aren't enough resources to help her son recover from his drug addiction. It comes after her son threatened to end his life by jumping off a bridge yesterday. Police say the man led officers on a chase after a traffic stop in Windsor Heights. The man was wanted on multiple warrants. He got off the bridge safely after negotiating with police. And KCCI's Ophelia Jacobson spoke with the man's mother, who says things need to change. Ophelia.
Yeah, Todd, that's right. Lori Huss-Stiles says her son hit rock bottom and felt like he had to end his life. She says mental health and substance abuse services could have prevented him from getting to that point at all.
You have a son who's an addict. You know that you need to take the phone call, but sometimes you're scared to take the phone call.
Lori Huss-Stiles picked up the phone Monday afternoon and heard the voice of her son. He was on a bridge and threatening to jump off.
He's tired of being an addict. He's tired of everything, and he just doesn't want to deal with it anymore.
Huss-Stiles stayed with her son on the phone and talked him out of ending his life. Police officers stood by as her son got on the other side of the railing. She says she's grateful for the officers who made sure he was safe.
I would definitely like to thank them for that patience that they had with him as I was talking him off the ledge.
One of those police officers was Des Moines Police Sergeant Paul Parizek. This is a picture of him standing by Huss-Stiles' son's side as she talked to him on the phone.
You can police with your head and your heart, and these are the outcomes you get.
The outcome Monday was that her son came out alive, and while that makes her happy, she worries about what's next. Huss-Stiles says her son has struggled with addiction for years and has been in and out of jail.
He's a tired addict. He just wants help, and there's none to be found.
She feels like there's not enough mental health and substance abuse services to help people like her son in the state of Iowa. Huss-Stiles says her son needs those professional services to move forward.
When your son or daughter is an addict in a state without services, you don't know what moving forward means anymore.
She says she doesn't know what to do or who to call. All she knows is that she loves her son and won't give up on him anytime soon.
This is my son. It doesn't matter who you are, you should care about people. It's just easy to say they're criminals or they're addicts. Every addict, every inmate is somebody's child.
And police say the man was taken to a hospital after the incident. We did not name him in this report because at this point he has not been charged. And if you or someone you know needs help, you can talk with the Suicide and Crisis Lifeline by calling or sending a text message to 988. Todd?
Thanks, Ophelia.